guys, what's poppin'? It is Savage Gray back here with another video, and today, you guys are probably asking where I am at. Yes. Yes, guys, if you guys, no, I was in the hot tub. Okay, anyway, but, yeah, guys, if you guys remember, or if you watch my last vlog, it said last vlog inside my house. Yes, guys, I'm officially moved out. The house is on, it's not ours anymore. Like, literally, we moved out of that house. Let me, in the camera, so you guys can see me a little bit more, bro. Oh, okay, that was cringe. Okay, whatever, the dog was barking. Dog is barking, okay? Anyway, but yeah, guys, if you guys don't know where I'm at my grandparents', or in other words, where my first vlogs actually were filmed. If you guys remember that, late night vlog 2, what's it, no, short vlog today, I believe. There was a going outside or something like that. Those were like the 4 first vlogs I've ever made, and they were here. Yeah, we were watching her there, and I just decided to make a YouTube channel and start vlogging because that's really what I wanted to do for a good long time. But yeah, this is my room. I'll give you guys a room tour in a second, but I'm gonna be in here for like a good 2 weeks, no, 2 months. Literally, I don't know what's wrong with me. Yeah, I'm gonna be in here for a good 2 months, maybe. By the way, guys, I'm really excited to say this. New songs gonna be dropping soon. I still gotta record it, so I haven't recorded it, but I'm gonna try and record it. I'm not making any promises that it's coming out, but I'm giving you guys a head up that a song might be coming out soon. So, and this one's not gonna be cheesy, not like the Old Town Road one, where I filmed it at 11 o'clock at night. Voice was completely scratched, had like so tired, and I'm like curled up on my computer like this, literally, not even joking. Like, I don't even know, like, even if you guys remember back, Carly, Braids the Chief, when we made Routine, if you guys saw the song on her channel, literally that was less cringy than my Old Town, My Road. I mean, the words were good in My Road, but it just wasn't the singing. Definitely not. Yeah, but this one's gonna be good. It's gonna be sort of like a vibe type song, but it's gonna be rap, obviously. I mean, why wouldn't I? Okay, so anyway, so yeah, guys, let me give you guys a room tour. And by the way, guys, I think I'm going to be daily vlogging, or vlogging a lot of times a week, maybe like a good 5 times a week, or daily vlogging when I get to my new house, because I need to get up my YouTube channel because I'm only at 86. I mean, I'm so thankful for it, but we need to boost it up. I mean, I'm almost at 5,000 views anyway. But yeah, guys, let me pick you guys up. Okay, so let me show you guys over on this side of the room. We have a closet right here. Don't really need to show you inside of the closet, it's just my clothes. Who wants to see clothes? Anyway, got my desk here, got the computer for, you know, I'm a vlogger, bro, so I need my computer to edit. Got the Xbox controller. Had that Xbox controller for 3 years. If you guys remember the Fortnite video, I was using that same controller, but that before, it was like 3 years ago. Scoot the chair over. Got my phone. I'm actually getting a new phone, an SE 2020. Anyway, big TV. We got a desk that goes up and down. See? Yeah, it's pretty cool. But up to 33 inches. Okay. Up to 34 inches. OCD. Yeah, got the Xbox One. I've had this for 3 years. My controller charger. Forza Horizon freaking 4, best game. Got the speaker. I don't know why. Headphones for walking and running on the treadmill and working out. They're really good, dude. I forgot what they're called, but got a nice light right here. Then I got, oh, okay, let's not break. I got this little thing. I have like this Donald Trump like gold bar. It's like a gold like dollar, I think. And then I have this silver bar, which at least weighs, I believe, yeah, it's 5 short pounds, which literally feels like a pound. I'm not even joking. We have if you guys know, if you guys ever been to Rehoboth Beach, if you guys know the Seashell Shop, you guys probably have no idea what I'm talking about. It's like a ocean stop store because it's right by Rehoboth Beach. I got that from there. Yeah. It doesn't matter about my deodorant, I don't care. Wreckfest, one of the best derby games. Got a Punta Cana bracelet, got some pirate coins also from the Seashell Shop. My beautiful guitar. I mean, we should just get a cinematic of it. Anyway, we got a fan, if you guys remember this Vornado fan. I used to not have it because we got a fan up on the ceiling of my room. But, yeah, you can see me vlogging. Hey, okay, but yeah, if you guys remember this fan, yeah, I got that fan again. Alarm clock, I don't use it. I should use it because I want to start waking up at 6, but I go to bed at 12, so that wouldn't be good for my body. Whatever. Relax, son. Don't know what that is. We have a nice, don't know why it's there. It's just a nice plant. I mean, yeah, I mean, it is nice. We had to move the dresser over, so sadly that picture is covered up with that. It's another picture. Got my mission mask, yeet. Okay, sorry. We got, you know, guys don't really need to see my paper. Logitech G920 steering wheel. My bed, so clothes haven't put away. I'm lazy, I'm sorry. I'm gonna actually put them away after this video. That's my little room tour. Oh yeah, I got a trash can over here. Sorry guys for that awkward moment. Anyway, let me set it back up the camera. Okay. Love the bed. So comfortable, I don't have any problem sleeping in it. Literally, just like, look. I'll show you guys how soft this is. You ready? That's how soft it is, guys. Like, see, you just kind of sink down, and it's kind of cool. Anyway, but yeah, guys. So just wanted to give a little update video, telling you guys where I'm at and stuff. And yeah, guys. Let me just take off my glasses. Literally don't know why. I just like taking off my glasses in the videos. Okay. Anyway, guys. If you guys haven't subscribed, please subscribe, hit the notification bell. If you guys haven't, drop a like and comment down below what you guys want to see me do for any new videos. And guys, I want to have a special thanks. Guys, thank you. We're almost to 90 subscribers. I literally never thought I'd hit 100 subscribers. But, literally, I guess I've been just doing it for 3 years and I've been just vlogs. I mean, I haven't been vlogging that frequently, but it's whatever. I've been putting out vlogs like a week and because got nothing to vlog about, guys. But anyway, yeah, guys, comment down below any video ideas. I think YouTube's not turning off my comments. Thank you, YouTube. I really appreciate it. If you could just not do that anymore, because I need my comments so my fans can tell me what they want me to post on the brace. I can see because it looks like I have a huge forehead. Okay, now it looks better. Yeah, guys. Yeah. I'm gonna make sure you guys join the SG Squad. All you guys have to do is subscribe and hit the notification bell. Literally, it's that easy. I'm gonna wait about a minute to let you guys do that. And if you guys don't, nothing. Because literally nothing. It's up to you guys. I don't like doing them type of videos where say, if you guys don't subscribe, I will delete your YouTube channel or something like that. Yeah, it's Mr. Beast. No way, we got a spider will crawl into your mouth when you're sleeping. Obviously, that's not, I mean, that might happen. Okay, I don't want to think about that now. Yeah, but I'm just gonna wait. It's been 10 minutes. I'm gonna just wait till you guys subscribe and join the SG Squad. Okay, it's just taking out memory on the camera. But anyway, yeah, guys, guess I'll see you guys in the next video. Take it easy, fam. See you guys in the next video. Peace. Just gonna see you guys in the next video. Peace. Guys, so that's all awesome vlogs coming to the vlog soon. See ya. Bye.